Okay, so what I'm going to show you today is a really simple trick that you can show your friends and loved ones and those who adore you. I have here a regular deck of cards, and you can take that deck of cards, you can shuffle it up however you like to your heart's content. You can have your spectators shuffle those cards to their heart's content. Let's get rid of that, and then let's get rid of that. We don't need those two cards. So we're just going to shuffle these cards up as much as we like. Like I said, it's a normal deck. There's no gimmicks to it. There's no funny business going on. And then you're going to ask your spectator to choose a card. Let's say they choose this one, for example. All right, so they're going to choose that card. You're going to take the rest of the way. You're going to have them look at their card. You're going to say, look at your card. Tell yourself that you've memorized it. Tell your friends, show it to your friends, show it to everybody you know and love, that kind of thing. And then what you're going to do is you're going to ask for that card back, and then you're simply going to slide it into the middle of the deck. Then you're going to look at your spectator and you're going to say, well, you know your card, right? You showed it to your friends, you showed it to that person, this person, whatever. And you're going to say, well, I don't even need to look in the deck for your card because I know what your card is. Your card is the 7 of spades. And that's going to blow their mind. Now, here's how you do this effect. You take a regular deck of cards, you can shuffle it up to your liking, and then you ask them to choose a card. Let's say it ends up being this card here, the 4 of spades, right? While your spectator is distracted looking at their card, showing it to their friends, you're going to take your deck of cards out of the way from view, and you're going to do one simple little move where you slide that top card onto this card. You're going to bring it back into view, square it up. You're going to say, hey, give me that card back. Don't show it to me. Give it back to me. Then you're going to slide it into the middle of the deck at an angle where they can't see. You're going to slide it back into the middle of the deck. Then you're going to get their attention. Look into my eyes, that kind of thing, eye contact. And as they're doing that, you're going to have the deck at your side, behind your back, whatever. You're just going to slide that card back over so that you don't even have to look at the card. You know what the card is. And when you fan your cards out, there it is right there, the 4 of spades. A quick little simple card trick that you can do to impress your grandparents, your loved ones, your nephew, your niece, whoever it is that you like. And they will surely be impressed by your fantastic magic skills. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you so desire. Otherwise, I just appreciate you checking it out, and I will see you next time.